Do you want to say hi to the vlog? No? You don't want to say hi to the vlog? No, you don't want to say hi? Okay. So I'm just making a quick snack real quick. Oh my gosh, you want to ruin... Now you want to bark? Now you want to make noise? Make all that noise. Okay, like I was saying, I'm making a quick snack. I'm making some nachos. I was craving some nachos. But I was craving some nachos with some spicy Doritos. And I got some tortilla chips too. Because I'm not the only one eating it. But I already seasoned the meat. This is ground turkey. And oh my gosh. When I opened the package, y'all, it was not cute. It stank real bad. And my dad was like, that's how it be smelling. Because I don't really be cooking meat like that. And stuff like that makes me not want to eat meat. And like, ooh, I don't know. But I was wanting to nachos. And I already put the Rotel in there. And the Velveeta. I'm going to show y'all what I used. I just used this regular Velveeta and this Rotel. I used one full thing of cheese, and I used 2 cans of Rotel. And I'm liking the way that it's looking. I added some milk. Don't forget your milk, y'all, or you're gonna be looking crazy. But that's 2 cans of Rotel. I thought I would only need 1 until I mixed it around, and I was like, nope. Yeah. And I did season this ground turkey with like 3 different seasonings, so I know the meat is gonna taste so good. I just wanted like a quick snack. Well, it's not a quick snack, but like it's not a full course meal, but you could eat nachos as a meal. So this is just like a cooking vlog, I guess, like a quick snack vlog, something. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is not hard to make at all. You don't even have to like, well, you gotta know, I mean, you don't have to know how to cook, but cooking is not hard. Like basic stuff to cook. And the way that I cook is like, I cook by smell. So yeah, like I'll smell the seasoning and be like, no, this is not what I want to go with this. I don't know where I learned that from, but I just cook by smell. So instead of, I don't usually taste my food in between. I kind of just go off the smell. I don't know. Everybody's different. So I'm about to just stir it. Or see if it's ready to be, you know, flipped over a little bit. It's like, nah. But I am going to like piece it up. It smells good. The seasoning and everything smells good. Ew, what is that fat? Ugh. When I eat like chicken and stuff, like chicken wings. Wait, no, chicken wings. What would I be eating? No, oh, ribs. I don't eat pork no more, but when I was eating ribs and stuff that have like extra fat on it, it's disgusting to me. I do not like that extra fat. But this ain't nothing to it. I'm gonna season it a little more because I only seasoned it on one side, so the seasoning smells good. I'm cooking it like in between low and medium, more on the medium side. But yeah. And then I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I may turn up the heat a little bit. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit, let it cook a little bit, and I'm gonna go put this laundry in the dryer, and I'll be back. The meat is back there chilling. I'm about to show y'all my shades, and I like wearing them everywhere just because the tint is orange, so everything that I see is a shade of orange, and it just looks so cool. It's like another dimension. It's like another room that I'm looking through. It's just so interesting. It's like another realm, another version of the spirit realm. Never mind, I ain't even gonna make y'all start thinking all deep right now. This is how they look though. Like, I can't even see my actual skin tone. I just see orange. It's just so cute. I just tasted the cheese and rotel before even adding the meat, and that by itself tastes good. Like, I didn't season it or nothing, so you can make very simple meals. You don't really know how to have to season unless you want to season the meat. But the rotel plus Velveeta tastes good by itself. So when this meat is added, and I feel like I learned this because my mom has cooked this like many times, and I just watch. Like, I learn by just like a visual. So, but this is not a hard meal though. Like, this is a meal that you could just do in your sleep. Like, you could just put it on the stove, put it on the crock pot, and go chill. It's just something quick. It's not extravagant or whatever. And plus, it's gonna be spicy nacho chips for me. And that's gonna be even more flavor. Like, yeah. I guess I'll start like vlogging when I do certain things. I don't know. We're gonna see. So I am about to turn the fire off now because it is pretty much finished. It's done. It's done. And then I'm gonna add it to the cheese. And then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. And then I'll be back later when it's time to eat and tell y'all what it's hitting on. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is gonna be so good with them spicy nachos. It just looks so good. It just looks so good. It looks so good. Not hard to make at all. You should make this if you have some spare time. And then just gonna cover it back. And it's on low. So yeah, I'll be back, y'all. All right, got the nachos. That should be enough for right now. Why do I have foil, you ask? Wrapped in a plastic container? Because mind your business. But it's ready. And I'm just going to, this might be a little, hold on. Definitely have to get this footage. Oh, of course I'm gonna get some more. All right, let's see. I feel like yeah, it's okay if you put too much milk. It's okay. I feel like I put a little too much. And I'm gonna taste it, and it's gonna be the end of this. Decent, like I said it would be. So thank you for watching. And subscribe, like this video, post in the comments if there's something you want to see me cook or do. I don't know, we'll see. And maybe try this at home, I don't know. Put your little spin on it, eat it how you want to eat it. And yeah. I don't like eating on camera, so bye. This is how it looks though. Nice and delicious. You know something good when you gotta put your bonnet on, get comfortable, put on comfortable clothes, and put on a show. Because I can't eat good if I'm not watching something good. I know a lot of y'all is like that. I like to put on something real good. And my food might even get cold while I'm searching, but that's all I wanted to say. Love y'all with the love of Christ, because I don't even know you. So, God bless you. And that's the end of the video for real.